Boxing here, because can't do it here.
Learned a lot. I have no idea about it.
Yeah, I didn't know much either. Like, I learned how to do techniques and stance and stuff and uppercuts. I didn't know how to do anything like that before.
Boxing workshop is really good. We need this in Nhulunbuy. I learned a lot. It's really cool.
It's a really good workshop. I really need it here. It's amazing.
My name is Tyson. I did the 3-day boxing workshop and I really enjoyed it, and I'd like to do it in the future.
Hello, I'm Luke. I also did the 3-day boxing workshop. Yeah, really good, really fun. Got to learn a lot of stuff and made me want to learn boxing more. Yeah, I really would like them to come back and do some more workshops. Really good.